Feeling so worthless. Forever exerting energy, living my inner needs grieving. Yo, I still can't believe it. They say if you let it go and it come back, then it's destined. Father God, me thank you for the blessing. There will be no putting off what could be done today for tomorrow. Procrastination leads to sorrow. Gone are the days I beg and borrow. Turn my grief song to relief song. Better add the days for LL and Khalees now. So we telling them blessings and blessings and blessings. No more stressing, regretting my steppings. Yeah, ain't got no points to prove, but I'm very certain if we snooze, we lose. Gotta put the work in like we're certain. Don't ever get caught in the whirlwind. Yeah. Keep it stepping on. Keep it stepping on. Keep it stepping on. My blessings, my blessings, my blessings.
Watch ya. Are the blackest man alive? My name Fire Blacks. I'm an Earth Strong. This coming Saturday. This Saturday. Gemini Lick Up. I'm a birthday. I'm a Earth Day. I have the ticket to me. For fans, for people. I beg on the support. I beg on the please and thanks. $25 ticket. Never go. Please. But don't call me for them now. 289 200 8752. Call the black one.
This red otter come out of Toronto, Canada. This popular DJ youth, Fire Blacks, and him is I guess him is a influencer and a party promoter. Him have HIV and apparently him pass it on to quite a few females. And a young lady report him, and then the Canadian police was looking for him. He became viral. He was wanted for pretty much murder, cause in Canada was one of the first country from back in the days to enact that kind of law when it comes to HIV. If you guys don't believe me, you could Google it. There is another Jamaican who did the same thing and then ran off to Jamaica, and they finally went down there and caught him and brought him back to Canada. I haven't heard anything about it, but apparently this dude here, Fire Blacks, him turned himself in, and that was a good thing. You know, me know a man might get in a certain thing and it looks scary and thing, but the best thing is to just deal with it. If you have certain things, you let your sexual partner know. It don't make sense to hide it. Now with him, apparently the young lady, he left her at his house and she started to search through his thing, and she found the AIDS medicine, and that's how comes she found out. And I guess with that concern, she took it to the public, because I guess maybe he didn't want to, you know, let the police know on them things there. And once you have certain things, the hospital is gonna document it, and it have to go to certain disease control people, and know so them can keep them statistics. It's just a part of life. Every country does it, even Jamaica, believe it or not. Now, apparently, I don't know how true it is, but I heard he has fully blown AIDS right now, and he's also turned himself in. So, you know, obviously, I have to say this, even though they already know this. All the young ladies them who involved with Blacks, Fire Blacks from Toronto, the DJ party promoter, go and get tested, cause if you get tested, they can't able to deal with it. You understand? And if any female in Jamaica, anywhere, America, anywhere deal with this guy and fuck him, make sure you get tested. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.